Hello guys, today we have one Porsche Cayman here for interface installation. So let's see the after result with me. Alright guys, we already done installing the interface. As you can see right now, we still maintain the original Porsche system. So let's go to the Carplay, press home 3 seconds. The Carplay will be here. Okay, you can set your ways. It's super responsive. Lastly, the owner also add a reverse cam. The reason why the owner added our reverse cam is because if you want an original Porsche reverse cam system, you need to add extra 10k in option. So our reverse cam only costs you 200 ringgit. If you're interested, please hit us up.